Hey there everyone! Welcome back to Auto Ace, your ultimate pit stop for all things auto. Today, we're diving into the top 10 must-have accessories for your Toyota Vios. Mura pero quality na accessories that not only elevate your ride, but also protect and personalize it without draining your wallet. If you're ready for some smart upgrades, buckle up. Let's go! First up is the Superman window door visor. This practical accessory helps shield your Vios from heavy rain and intense sunlight while adding a sleek look to your car's profile. It comes in at around 795 pesos, approximately $14, making it a smart, affordable investment. Next, consider the Rain Guard window visor. Crafted with a durable silver net, this visor is built to handle harsh weather conditions effectively. With a starting price of about 1,498 pesos, nearly $27, it's a minor upgrade that makes a big difference in comfort. The third must-have is the side step protector. Designed to guard your door sills against scratches and wear from daily use, this accessory not only preserves the exterior look of your Vios, but also enhances safety when entering or exiting the car. It's priced around 1,299 pesos, roughly $23. Up next are car seat covers. A quality set of seat covers protects your interiors from spills and stains, while adding a touch of personality to your ride. You can find good options starting at roughly 2,000 pesos, around $36. To keep your cabin pristine, a floor mat set is essential. A durable set not only enhances your car's interior aesthetics, but also makes cleaning a breeze. Expect to spend about 1,500 pesos, approximately $27, on a quality set. For a sportier edge, consider an aftermarket front chin. This accessory subtly upgrades the Vios' front end, transforming its look without going overboard. Even a small price tag of around 2,000 pesos, roughly $36, can make a noticeable impact. Don't forget the tech side of practicality. A multi-port USB car charger ensures that all your devices stay powered up on the go. This little gadget is available for around 700 pesos, approximately $13, and comes in extremely handy. When the sun's at its peak, a car sunshade is a must. It helps maintain a cooler interior and protects your dashboard and upholstery from harmful UV rays. You can grab a reliable sunshade for about 800 pesos, roughly $14. Add a touch of modern flair with LED ambient interior lights. These lights not only create a pleasant mood inside your car, but also bring a contemporary edge to your Vios. Prices start at roughly 1,200 pesos, around $21. Last but not least, finish your look with a stylish license plate frame. A well-designed frame adds that perfect finishing touch to your Vios' exterior. A good quality option usually costs around 900 pesos, about $16. There you have it. The top 10 must-have accessories for your Toyota Vios that combine affordability with smart style and protection. If any of these upgrades caught your eye or if you've got your own recommendations, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.